Everyone, I welcome you all to our channel and let's learn automation. So today let's take forward the framework. So what we have done till now, let's see the application. So if I try to log out, so we automate this login page, then we log in and we automate the second page, that is the inventory page properly. And next page we have the card page. So we'll create the first or third page, and the third we can say that page test class also, and here we will automate this page. So let's go to the Eclipse, and here I will create one another page. So what I will do, I will just modify the name of these pages. So here I will say one dot. Can we use dot? No, let's keep it is. So by which there will be a proper sequence. So let's create the another page first. So cart page I can say, and here first of all we'll try to identify element and direct find by, then xpath was to, then private web element, and here what we have on that page, label, cart label and checkout button. Cart label and checkout button, and here we need to find xpath. So let's inspect this. Span class title, span at the rate class equals to title. So we got the unique element. Let's write down here. And the second one, checkout page. So what we have here, ID. So we can use ID, button ID, button ID, like this. So these are the two elements we have, and now we'll write down the constructor. So public cart page, this is the constructor, and we'll use page factory dot init elements driver, and this, what driver is like we don't know. So yeah, let's extend this, extend with test space, then the problem is solved. Then now write down the method. So public void, and I can say what, verify first, uh, verify, we can say that cart page URL. So cart page URL. So like this we have the method. Okay, this is the extra one. So what we need to do, we need to use driver dot current page URL, and we'll return this, and here we'll use the string. That's done. And now I will use the same structure again. Then here we'll verify cart label, and here we'll return the cart label dot get text. Done. And okay, so this is the thing. Now let's write down the test cases for this. So for that we'll create the test case class. So here I will add one more class, like uh, cart page test. here I will use some annotation at the rate before method, then at the rate test, at the rate test, because we have the two test cases, and at the rate after method. And here I will write down method public void setup, I can say. And then what can I do? Yeah, I need to create the object. So this is the third page, so I need to create the object for every page over here. So first of all, let's try with the login page. Login page, and here login is the object. And then we have inventory page, and invent is the object. And then this is the cart page, so cart page and cart is the object. So three objects are created, and now we'll initialize all those objects in before method. So I can say login equals to new login page, and then invent equals to new invent inventory page, done. And finally cart equals to new cart page, done. Then we need to call the initialization method, but this is not applicable because sorry, we can't call because we haven't extend this. So let's extend this with the test base. So remember, whenever you are going to create the new page class or test class, you need to extend the test base with the test base. So now I can call initialization, and now first of all I need to log in because we need to reach up to this page. Okay, what we need to do, we need to verify this one and this one. So first of all, for example, what we have, our test case should be independent. So first of all will be we will be on the this page, then we will log in, and after that we'll click on this. Okay, we need to click on this, and then we will reach up to the cart page. So this is what the prerequisite. And now we need to click on this too. So for this we don't have any method, so first of all we need to create a method to click on this particular thing. So what we will do, we'll go to the inventory page, and here I will create one method. Okay, here I will create one method. Okay, okay, so this is already created. So this method, okay, let's write down this again. So what I will do, I will create one method like public void click on cart icon, and here what we have, invent, sorry, cart icon, cart count dot click, done. So this is the method. Now what I will do, initialization I already called. Is there an issue? No. So initialization method is already called. Now I need to call the, first of all I need to login. So login dot login to application. So I have successfully login. Then I need to add some product, we can say that. So invent add six product will method I call, and after that I will call the that method we created like click on cart icon. So this is the prerequisite, this is done now. And now I will write down the test cases. So public void, and the test cases name will be this one, and we'll apply the test over here, and we'll write down like cart is the object, cart dot verify url, yes url, this one, and we'll store this into string variable. So actual url equals to this, We'll copy this and we'll create the expected one. So here I will write down expected and we'll copy the expected. So this is the, no, sorry, this is the URL, expected URL. Okay, done. And now I will apply the assertion. So assert dot assert equals expected URL and actual URL. Done. This is done. So I will create the, or I will create the same method. Like array or what's happen over here. We'll copy this method, we'll paste it here, and only will change the name of the method. Like verify, what I need to use, I need to use this one. So just need to change here. Done. And here expected, I can say label, need to change the label to. Then actual label, need to change this one too. So like cart dot verify label, yes, this one, this method. And here I need to copy the label. So this is label, we'll copy this, put it here, and here I will change the name actual label. So this is done. And now let's write down the after method. So let's remove this space, this one also, and now this one also. Write down the method after method. So public void close browser is the method, and we'll write down driver dot close. Okay, we'll delete this extra lines space. And now what happened here? Okay, I need to throw declaration. Okay, done. Let's execute this. What happened here? Why it is not logging? Okay, there is some issue. Null pointer exception. What happened now? Let's write, and maybe I need to shift this here. Let's execute again. Okay, now it's okay. First of all, you need to write down the initialization method, then we need to uh, what we can say that declaration or initialization object. Okay, so done. So two cascade test cases pass. This is done, and now let's move to our web page. This is not required. I'll click this, and let's move to our page. So we reach up to here. Okay, we have verified this. Now we need to click on checkout, so by which we can move to the next page. So here in the card page I will write down one method. So the method like public void click checkout button. Then what we have, checkout button, directly we have dot click. Okay, so this is the required method, as we need the method for clicking on this particular icon, cart icon. So let's close all this and let's create the next page. So when I click on checkout, I will get the this page, checkout 1, I can say. So I will create one new page, new class. So I will give name checkout 1 page or checkout page 1. And again, what I need to do? Okay, this I need to verify and I need to enter three values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and this 5 continue button will require 5 element. So at the rate find by x xpath and that is private and web type of web element and the name is like checkout label 1. So checkout 1 label, we can say that, because there may be a possibility of further label. Checkout 1 label, and this is done. We'll copy one more time. Checkout 1, then first name, last name, zip code. So first name text box, then last name text box, then zip code, zip code text box and continue button. See, continue button. Okay, and let's try to find out the XPath. Every XPath should be unique. So let's find out this one. Span class title. Span class title. Copy this. So this is then first name. First name. Okay. So ID. This one. Input ID. First name. Input ID. First name. Then last name. So ID is last name. ID is last name. Then zip code we required. Zip code, postal code. ID is postal code. This is also unique. And continue button. This is continue button. Input ID continue. Okay. Input ID continue. This is also unique. Good. Now, now let's create the constructor public. Checkout page 1. Then page factory dot init element driver and this. So here I need to extend this with test base and then to create the method. So what method we required here? 1, 2 and 3. So we need three method. We require three method. Public void verify 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 uh, checkout page 1 URL. Done. And then uh, next method label. Okay, so we'll copy this to save the time. Verify checkout page 1 label and hey, what's this? Checkout information. Okay, public void uh, input checkout info. Okay, so URL we need to verify driver dot current URL and return, then here string, done. Label, so here also we required string, and label, which label? Checkout label. So checkout label dot get text dot get text. Okay, what about this? Okay, sorry, return we should write down. Okay, and now first name dot send keys. Here we need to enter something like Harry, then last name dot send keys like P Potter, and pin code. No, not like this. What we have? Zip code, not pin code. Zip code dot send keys. So here we can do 2 3 4 5, anything as a sample data. So that's done, and we'll press the continue button, dot click. Okay, done. So for this all this method we need to create the test class. So here I will create one more class, and we'll first of all copy the name of the class. We'll create the class, then class and test. And now we'll need to write down three test cases. Yes, so for that let's write some code. At the rate before method. Okay, then at the rate test, then at the rate test again, then at the rate test again, then at the rate after method. Okay, so what? Done. Now I will try to copy this code, this to here, before method here, and here I will copy this whole method. Okay, now okay, need to extend this with test base, and now we need to add one more object like checkout page, and the object will be check1, and here I need to initialize that too. So check equals to new checkout page. So here I have check1. Okay, done, and this is done now. Okay, here I need to create the test cases. So this is our class. So public void, and this, then here public void, and this one second test case, and the last one public void test. Okay, done. What happened? What's the problem? Yeah, after method. Okay, after method I can copy smaller method from here itself. Okay, you are happy too. Okay, good. So now verify we need tool. So for that we'll use the string actual URL equals to driver dot, not driver, sorry. I need to use the object. So object is check1 dot verify URL, then string expected URL was to, so URL expected, let's copy this and we'll use the assertion over here, assert equal expected URL and actual URL. Done. We'll copy this code. Here we'll use, just change label, and here label, here we'll change the value. So the value will be like this. I will copy this value from the directly page, and here I need to change the method check1 dot verify label, this one, and here expected label and actual label. Okay, done. Now this one, uh, okay, we are going to click the continue. Let's, okay, so here check1 dot input information. So after clicking this continue button, I need to, okay, let's log out this first, login, okay, this one, then check out, then fill some information and continue button, then we got this page. So as a verification of this, what I can do, I can verify this one. Okay, so we'll verify this here. So what can I do? Yes, I can do like string uh, expected URL, this, and we'll get actual URL from this. How to get, let's I will tell you. So actual URL, okay, and here what I will do, I will make some changes over here. So this will return driver dot current URL, and here we need to change like a string. So error is gone over here and error is gone over here. Now we can apply the assertion. So what I'm trying to do, first of all I will write down assertion, then we'll explain this. So expected URL and actual URL. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here, like let's log out first. So I will log in, then add some product, we'll go here, then we'll click on this checkout button and we'll fill this data like this, and when I press continue button as a verification, I will be on this page, so I will verify this particular URL, so verification will be done. So we don't need to verify this again whenever we will code for this particular page. So this is the thing. Now this is done. Now we need to uh, let's try to execute this. So click on cart icon, unit cart step 1, label. Okay, let's execute this. Okay, one test case executed. Second two, and the third one. Okay, three fail. Oh, all fail. What happened over here? Unable to locate element. First name. Why? Why this is error? Cart but found. Expected your cart but found your information. Okay, okay, okay. So there's something is missing over here. Click on cart icon. I have done. So let's try to do manually. Click on cart icon and click on checkout button. Okay, okay, okay. One thing is remain. So cart dot click on checkout button and not done. Yes. So this is the prerequisite. This is also one of the prerequisite. Let's run it again. We have created that method but haven't called there, so that's why that's the issue, I think. Okay, good, three pass, all pass. And now what we have not done, let's write down the reporter log. Reporter dot log, and here will like URL of checkout page. It's, like this, and plus actual URL. Okay, then here also we can write down reporter dot log, and here what label, checkout page label, check out page label plus actual label. This is also done, and let's this one. So I can write down this. So checkout page 2 I can say, and here I can say 1. So here we have completed, and then let's complete for this page also, card page test. This remain. So this is card page, card page done, and here label we can write URL label of card page. So here use actual label. Done. Card page. Okay, let's close all of this. And now what I will do, I will try to do the some sequencing. So I will change the no, in the next session we will do that. Otherwise this video become larger and larger. So this is login page. We have write down the login page test. Reporter here. We have write down the reporter here too. Okay. Everywhere we are write down the reporter. So it's okay. In the next video we'll try to uh, is this we try to automate the next page, this one, and when I click finish we got this one. So only two pages are remaining. So we'll try to cover in the next session. Thank you.